This is how I'm investing in AI as a person working in tech in his late 20s in the US. NVIDIA's Jensen Huang gave a really nice explanation where he broke down AI as a 5-layer cake.
Energy, chips, infrastructure, models, and applications.
And I believe this is one of the smartest ways to think of how to invest in the future of AI. Layer 1 is energy. AI runs in data centers, and data centers, as we know, need crazy amount of power. So on this layer, you can invest in companies like Bloom Energy, Vistra, and Constellation Energy. These companies are leading providers of the massive energy infrastructure that's required to power AI and data center boom. Layer 2 is chips. This is where the US stocks dominate. NVIDIA, Broadcom, AMD, these are the stocks to watch. Taiwan Semi manufactures everything. Micron builds the memory that kind of makes it all work. These companies control the global supply of the advanced processors and specialized memory that's required to train and run large-scale AI models. Layer 3 is infrastructure. These are the actual physical things inside data centers. So like Vertiv for cooling system, Arista, Applied Optoelectronics for network equipment, cables, and more. Equinix and Digital Realty for actual data center space. Supermicro for server racks and lots of other products. These companies build the specialized housing, high-speed networking switches, and fiber optic links and cables that allow thousands of GPUs to work together as a single supercomputer. Layer 4 is models. Now, these are the household companies whose name we always hear, like Microsoft, it backs OpenAI, Google has Gemini, Meta leads in open source with Llama and their consumer-grade products. Amazon is heavily invested in Anthropic. These are blue-chip tech stocks, and they're rather safer bet. Layer 5 is applications. ServiceNow and Salesforce, they're building AI agents. Adobe does creative AI. There are other players like C3, CoreWeave, and more. A quick disclaimer, these stocks can be extremely volatile and their prices are super sensitive to what's on the news. I was just kind of sick of hearing the same financial advice online where everybody's saying just buy ETFs like SPY, VOO, Triple Q. So this is just a framework for you to think about AI companies and investments if you're willing to take on that extra risk. Follow me for more.